有真侪饲动物伴的人，拢会去拄到税厝有困难的问题。在美国嘛是同款，加州议会中一日提出一个新的法案，要求厝头家袂当禁止饲动物伴的这个规定，嘛袂当另外收钱。有加州的众议员就表示，伊家己进前伫咧税厝的时阵，嘛捌因为饲动物伴，厝头家全无注意，也感受是特别深。不过嘛有厝头家是真反对，伊认为这些动物会破坏因的厝。
在公园内底，甲狗仔享受欢乐的时光。即马有愈来愈侪人会饲宠物，啊，毋过带宠物税厝煞定定税务，因为厝主烦恼厝会被破坏。毋是禁止厝卡饲宠物，就是定出真侪规矩，互厝卡爱负担真悬的费用。
Just a significant number of people coming to us telling us that they are losing their housing, that they cannot find affordable housing that allows them to have pets. I mean, I think the biggest challenge that we've been facing since the beginning of 2023 is having to consider euthanizing dogs for space when we have no place for them to go. I mean, they're
为要互这厝卡用顺利找到一间厝，美国加州议会众议员提出一项法案，要求厝主接受厝卡的宠物。编号 AB1116的法案由民主党议员哈尼提出，包含税厝申请进前，厝主免问是毋是饲宠物。啊，不过申请人爱伫前3天通知厝主，厝主也免要求厝卡付另外租金、押金，除非有合理的理由，比如健康因素，厝主将拒绝厝卡饲宠物。
This is a package of changes that together will provide more access for the millions of renters who have pets in California. It's the first of its kind. Nowhere else in the country does this.
调查发现，全美国有2/3的家庭饲宠物，啊，不过72%的税厝人表示真歹找到适合的厝。有人支持这法案，要厝主反对，认为宠物可能损害财产，而且限制厝主回避这种另外风险的自由，佮禁止收宠物押金，互厝主处境真不利。
I allow pets. Because it's single family, right? You got the backyard, etc. But I will tell you, the dogs have destroyed the place. They've chewed up holes in the side of the wall. They've chewed up all of the drip system. So it's going to be pretty expensive to return that unit back.
这项法案4月初由加州众议院委员会提出，若表决通过，会提交参议院批准。公司新闻电话真编辑。